Hey everyone, welcome back to FKW. I know it's been a little bit, but we've been busy around here. Coming up with new concepts. We're working on payment methods for people because we've been getting a lot of inquiries. How can we get this done? A website is hard to do with what I do with custom work because everything is so individualized. So we figured what we'd do is we're going to set up a PayPal business account on YouTube. And also we're going to set up an invoice account where I can email you an invoice, you pay it through Square, it goes back to the business account, and then we ship. So we're working on different options here. Helen's been driving herself nuts this week trying to figure out all the payment methods, flat rate boxes, and everything we need to get this set up for doing internet kind of sales. A new thing we came up with, and let me know if this works for you guys. This knife here, all right? This is a red oak handle. But this is the same exact knife in mahogany. Now you'll notice this is not a finished knife. We're thinking about doing kits where you're saving yourselves $100, $125. And let me explain how this works. The blade of this knife that's wrapped in this duct tape, plus the blue painter's tape underneath, is already finished, it's already sharpened, it's already hardened. I've taken care of all that. The bolster is done. That's this piece right here. All you have to do is finish the wood. I've given you the general outline of what needs to be done. Brass pins are done. The epoxy is already done. It's set to go. You put your personality into this knife. Same thing with this knife. This is a red oak. This is a red oak. Now you can see the difference, how much work's got to be done, but you're going to take all this down. I've given you the general outlines of what needs to be done. Put your personality into it. Also, what I'm going to do is on both these knives, you're going to get your leather. You're going to get your gussets. You're going to go to my videos and you're going to see how to do it. I'm going to give you the gussets and the leather, and I'm going to show you how this works. See, I just did a simple fold right like that. Done. Obviously, you're going to stitch the back first. If you go to my leather videos, you'll see what your gap clearance has to be for a 2-inch belt. And then you're going to sew this piece first. Once that's sewn in, you'll put your gussets in all the way around, and then fold over, and then you have your nice sheath. So I'm going to sell these as kits. You're going to save a lot of money that way, but it doesn't come without cost to you. Obviously for the kit itself, but also what you're going to need. A number 20. A number 20 needle. Also, what you're going to need, and you don't have to buy it in spools. I buy it in 500-foot spools. 150D, which is 1 millimeter waxed thread for hand sewing. Also, what you'll need, and you should have this anyway if you have a custom knife, butcher block conditioning. You want at least 5 coats on each handle. I go through that in my knife videos. And I just use regular Howard's Butcher Block Conditioner. You can get that at Home Depot. At Michael's, you can pick up the rest of this stuff. Feeblings. This is the cement for gluing this stuff together before you do your finished product. And drilling it and then sewing, all right? Feeblings. Also, what you will want for your leather, and you can pick this up at Home Depot, you can pick this up at Michael's, or you can get this at Tractor Supply, Feeblings again, golden mink oil. What that is for is preserving your leather. Now, if you want to add color to your leather, while you're at Michael's, they sell little containers of different dyes for leather, and then you can do whatever you want with that. If you want to go as far as putting lanyards, as you'll see this knife here, which is this knife, believe it or not, has a lanyard loop. What you would do here is go to Michael's again, and you can pick up Art Minds leather lace. And there are the exact dimensions for that. And then just make your lanyard for that. Done deal. As a matter of fact, give me a second. Helen, concentrate on that for a second. I'm just going to show them what they can do. Here we go. Okay. Again, now if you want to color your sheath, leather colors, Feeblings, and it comes in, this one's a black, they come in tan, they come in saddle tan, regular tan, black, and there's a couple, they got about 4 or 5 different colors that they use there. So that's another option you have. What I'm giving you the opportunity to do, if you so choose, is to create your own. Also, you will need a 3/32 drill bit, okay, and a drill, because you can stitch this if you have the right machines, but if you're going to hand sew this with a number 20, you're going to drill this out all the way around. Okay, you're going to need, in order to do the sheaths, go back to my videos. You're going to need part 1 and part 2 of sheath making. You're going to need both of those videos to complete this project. When it comes to the knives, you're going to need part 2, part 3, and part 4 of scales. These are knife handles, but if I remember correctly, I labeled it scales, knife scales. So you're going to want those videos, and I take you through it step by step, but you're going to save a lot of money. Something like this is typically, this with its sheath, is a $200 knife shipped to you. This with a sheath that you have to finish, which would be this set, is an $85 knife shipped to you. Like I said, blades are done. Hardening is done. Bolsters are done. You are finishing this part here and this, and you're saving that much. And now you're about to find out why custom knives cost so much. On this knife is $175. You're getting this. Again, blade is done. Hardening, done. You are going to do the finish work. You're going to have this sheath and the whole set. And you're getting that for $75. Tell me what you think. Would you rather I just finish them all? Or do you want to put your own personality into it? All right, that said, it's a cold night here in Florida. We're going down into the 20s tonight with a wind chill of, we have 20-mile-an-hour winds, so they're talking about a wind chill, bring us down to about 17 to 21 degrees. So I got things I got to take care of outside. But I will see you on the next upload. Have a good day. Have a blessed day.